Don't sell your future for today's comfort, because you'll regret it. Sell what you don't need, and it will keep your life lighter. Hey Lisa, did you sell your old bike yet?
Yes, I sold it last week. Someone came by and paid cash immediately.
Wow, that was fast. Are you selling anything else?
Actually, I am selling my guitar too.
Oh, really?
Do you know anyone who sells used instruments?
I think my cousin sells some old guitars online. I can give you his contact.
That would be great. Thanks.
Let's review the forms of sell in this part. Present simple. Sell. I think my cousin sells some old guitars online. Infinitive without to. Sell. Hey Lisa, did you sell your old bike yet? Third person singular. Sells. Do you know anyone who sells used instruments? Present continuous. To be selling. Are you selling anything else? Actually, I am selling my guitar too. Past simple. Sold. Yes, I sold it last week.
Let's practice.
Hey Lisa, did you sell your old bike yet?
Once more.
Hey Lisa, did you sell your old bike yet?
I sold it last week.
Once more.
I sold it last week.
I am selling my guitar too.
Once more.
I am selling my guitar too.
Are you selling anything else?
Once more.
Are you selling anything else? Do you know anyone who sells used instruments?
Once more.
Do you know anyone who sells used instruments? I think my cousin sells some old guitars online.
Once more.
I think my cousin sells some old guitars online.
That's enough for sell in this part. Here's your sentence to practice. If you sell what you need just to buy what you want, you've sold your life too cheaply.